In your health, 1 in 3 American kids is either overweight or obese. On the federal level, the Collaborate for Healthy Weight initiative aims to turn things around. New York is joining that effort in a number of ways, and one involves a 5-year grant that puts about $100,000 a year into the capital region. I stopped by the Seton Health Pediatric Office in Troy today to see the program in action.
So what is your favorite fruit and vegetable?
Blueberries and raspberries and blackberries.
Christopher and Kira Kohler are the kinds of kids Dr. Janice Pride Boone loves to see. They eat their fruits and veggies. She doesn't have to change their eating habits, just reinforce them.
Heart sounds terrific. And you're doing all the healthy things to keep your heart well. You're exercising, you're drinking water, you're eating healthy food.
Dr. Pride Boone works at Seton Pediatrics in Troy, one of 9 groups recently awarded a pediatric obesity prevention grant funded by the New York State Department of Health. The money will be used to help doctors help their pint-sized patients either stay or get trim and healthy. Dr. Pride Boone targets sugar consumption.
It tastes good and it feels good, so there are a lot of rewards to eating sugar. Unfortunately, there are side effects, and that's the weight gain and the heart disease that follows.
And she says kids are eating all the time, which means their body's digestive system never gets a break. And that's not healthy. So she embraces another aspect of the Pediatric Obesity Prevention Program, which encourages 5-2-1-0. 5 fruits and veggies daily, 2 hours or less in front of a screen, an hour of exercise, and no sugary beverages. The program is also providing pedometers and silly bands to encourage the kids to make the changes.
We're targeting all providers. We're starting with low income because that's where the biggest issue is, but we are reaching every single office within these 8 counties.
Allison Tramontano is the project coordinator. She says doctors welcome the support and they're happy to integrate Veggie RX. That program, about 6 months old, aims to improve access and affordability for fresh produce.
And it's a program that we're doing in collaboration with clinics where these veggie dollars are given to patients.
Those veggie dollars can be spent at the area's 2 veggie mobiles, which sell produce, most of it locally grown at wholesale prices. And the community gardens behind the Vegiemobile is involved in another local project that's getting high grades for improving health, and I'll have that for you live at 6. Living in an urban community can be tough when it comes to eating healthy because there may not be a supermarket nearby, and convenience stores don't always stock fresh produce. But the Albany County Department of Health set out to change that with the Healthy Convenience Store Initiative. Tonight, that program has been honored by the National Association of County and City Health Officials. Albany County Exec Dan McCoy says from January to April, almost 17,000 pounds of fresh produce were sold through that program. The Capital District Community Gardens is one of the participants in the program. Getting fresh produce into convenience stores is just one of their goals. You may be seeing their new Vegiemobile around town. Smaller than the original vehicle, this one's called the Sprout. It makes dozens of visits to urban communities. It's also involved in a 6-month-old program called Health Veggie RX.
It's a program that we're doing in collaboration with clinics where these veggie dollars are given to patients that we're trying to work with the doctor's office, either for patients that are at risk for or currently dealing with diabetes or obesity, hypertension.
Veggie bucks are also given to children to help reduce the rate of obesity. By the way, the produce is sold at wholesale prices, and most of the goods are locally grown.